Hey guys, what's up? Spenny here. So in today's video, I want to talk about Virgin Galactic. Some big news was announced, so we'll cover that news, and then I'll also go through the chart and see if now is a good time to buy this dip. Now before I do get into this video, make sure to drop this video a big thumbs up if you find it informative, and feel free to subscribe for more content. Now getting straight into this video, guys, so Richard Branson sells $150 million worth of Virgin Galactic stock. Quite a large sale, and I think this is surprising to a lot of investors. And you're probably thinking, what do you do now? Do you sell out or do you hold on to your shares? Do you buy the dip? Well, in today's video, we're going to talk a little bit about that. So he sold about 5.5 million shares in a price range of $26.85 and $28.73. The total proceeds was $150 million. This comes in a time after Chamath Palihapitiya, the chairman of Virgin Galactic, sold $213 million worth of stock. So a lot of big insider selling. Not usually a good sign. However, it's not entirely surprising with a pretty newly traded company. Another company I cover a lot on this channel is Palantir. Palantir insiders have been selling like crazy as well. It's just something to kind of expect with a newly publicly traded company. However, maybe there's something more behind this stock sale, so let's dig a little deeper here. One thing I do want to say is ARK Invest bought the dip. They bought the dip, they bought 42,000 shares in their ARK X fund, and that's their space ETF. So that's not surprising at all. That is classic Cathie Wood. She loves to buy the dip in her higher conviction names. So that's a good sign that at least Cathie Wood is buying. And then if we go over to Virgin Galactic's Twitter to try to find out why Richard Branson sold so many shares, there's nothing. I can't actually find anything. If we type in Richard Branson into Twitter and see if he announced anything there. So looking at Richard Branson's Twitter here, we can see there's really nothing. So I don't think there's actually been any announcement anywhere as to why they sold so many shares. Now, I do expect we will get an update shortly, and when we do get that update, I'll definitely make a video and keep you guys informed on it. But right now, we don't know why this sale happened, but we do know that Richard Branson is a multi-billionaire, and he's involved in the airlines and many other companies. It's possible that he just needs liquidity. We really don't know. So there's not a whole lot of sense in speculating. Now, if we actually go over to the SEC filings, you can see it was filed under Virgin Galactic Ltd. You can see all the sales here. And if we go down below, so the reporting owners here, 10% plus owner. You can see it was Greg Muir Chambers and Richard Branson at the bottom. So this is reporting owners. It's not just Virgin Galactic. They're selling these stocks under a Virgin Galactic Ltd. Now, the sale did take place between April 12th and April 14th, so it is relatively new. And if we look at the chart to see what actually happened, not actually a massive dip considering the magnitude of this sale. And I suspect a lot of investors are kind of freaked out right now after seeing such a big sale. You can see here on April 14th, we had this gap. This gap was when it was announced, and if we actually see how far down we are since that gap, we're trading about 12-ish% down. That's actually not massive considering we're down 12% since they announced this news. I kind of do suspect, guys, that we are going to trade lower. That doesn't seem like a huge drop considering this sale. Now, we got to keep in mind we have actually dropped a lot in the recent months. If I zoom out, you can see we were trading at around $62 here. That's a 63-ish% drop from where we are now. So that's massive. And that was just back in February, so that's the last couple months. And looking recently, if we even look just shortly before April 14th, even the beginning of April. So if we go to April 1st, right about here, we're trading at $31-ish. Now we are around $23.50. So that's a 26% drop just in the last couple of weeks. So we've seen a pretty significant downtrend in the stock. And if we look at the moving averages as well, we're in a downtrend. There's really no other way to look at this. And I was trying to find support. And there's not a lot. We can see way back in January and December, we were trading in this low $20 range. So I do think we'll find buyers in the low $20 range. But like I said earlier, I don't actually think that we're just going to see a 12% drop. I suspect there's going to be more pain ahead from this. It's kind of hard to imagine that we drop 12% and then we go right back into an uptrend and break past to where we were before this news. I don't suspect that's going to happen, relatively soon. But if we look at upcoming catalysts, we have that test flight coming in May. If that goes well, then yes, then I could see us actually breaking past, the mid $20 range, possibly getting back into the 30s. A successful test flight would be massive. It would really help to prove the concept of this company. Now, obviously, if that test flight gets delayed again, or if it doesn't go well, we're probably going back into the teens. And the biggest support in the teens is around the $15 to $17 range. And we haven't been in that range for quite some time. It was really September, way back here, is when we were trading in that range. $15 is strong support though. Hopefully it doesn't come to that, but it's just something to keep in mind right now if you are going to buy. So anyways, guys, that's all I have for you in today's video. Make sure to subscribe to this channel if you want to see future updates. I will keep you guys informed when Richard Branson hopefully announces why he sold the shares. I suspect that he needs liquidity, but that's just me speculating. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching until then. I really appreciate that. I'll see you guys on the next one.